This is Shafa the Story World. Today I'm going to read Aesop's Fables, Book 2. These stories are suitable for primary children and all story lovers. Today I'm going to read The Blue Jackal. Okay, let's start the story. Once a jackal strayed into a village in search of food. Suddenly, a group of dogs started chasing him. While running, the jackal fell into a drum full of blue dye. He was covered from head to toe with blue dye. When the animals in the jungle saw the jackal, they became scared. The jackal went to a river and saw that he had become blue. Taking advantage, he told the animals that he was the messenger of the king of gods. The animals made him the king of the jungle. He selected the lion as his prime minister and the tiger as the guardian of the bedchamber. The elephant was the doorkeeper. He threw all the other jackals out of the forest. All the animals brought their food to the jackal. Thus, the jackal was living a good life. One day, a herd of jackals passed by the forest, howling loudly. On hearing them, the jackal too started howling loudly. When they heard this, the animals realized that they had been tricked by the jackal and killed him. That's the end of the story. The moral of the story is silence is golden. If you like and enjoy the story and want to hear this kind of stories more and more, please subscribe to our channel Shafa the Story World. Thank you.